tutorial. In this tutorial I'm gonna teach you how to record your screen with Icecream app. I love Icecream app because it easily helped me to record my screen, easy and fast way to record my screen. So let's go and download Icecream app and install it, and let's know how to use it. So go to your browser, and you can use Google to search for it, or just go to their website. Okay, here I type Icecream recording app. So this Icecream recording app site, yeah, I can click. So it will take us to the website where we can download the app. So the app is free. But the pro version is not free. You need to pay. The pro version have more advanced features that you use to record this. So the free also have some that you can draw things on the screen while videoing them and sort of all those things like that. So this is the website we are now. So what we need is just to download it to our computer. So this, the free download, later you can upgrade it after downloading the free version if you have money in your account, so you can upgrade to pro at once. So download, free download here. So click on this here. After clicking, then your download will start in a minute. It depends on how fast your internet connection is and things like that. So yeah, download screen. So the download is processing already. Well, so my connection is not fast because I'm not using a Wi-Fi or a hotspot for it. So it will start in a progress. Just save it. Then when it gets downloaded, just go to your, when it gets downloaded, very much sure, when it gets downloaded, just move to your download folder in your computer, yeah, desktop, computer, laptop. Yeah, this is my download folder here. Search for the, yeah, this is the setup here, which this is the setup, and you can set it up and stuff like that. So in the next tutorial I will go through every step on how to use this Icecream recording app to capture screen, to video our screen, and to draw things in our video on the screen, like to mark some things and other things like that. Like example, let me show you what I mean here. So like drawing, where you can draw, yeah, on the screen while recording. So well, we'll see me in the next tutorial. So don't forget, it's a free app, but when you need more advanced things, yeah, see my download has come already, where you can download, save as type app. Yes, this is so save. It will be saving in my download folder. So click save. So just click save. Oh yeah, screen recording setup already exists here. I've already downloaded it, so that's why it's telling me it's already existing. So just click save here, because mine was so in the next tutorial, don't forget to subscribe, share and like. Bye, see me in the next tutorial.